Communication is being able to survey information in a verbal or non-verbal way. Communication is a skill all coaches should possess, as it can be changed to suit your sport. In an independent sport, verbal communication would be more useful as it can create a closer bond with the coach and help them understand more. And non-verbal communication would be more useful in team sports, as there are many players and having one-on-one talks with players is much harder. Examples of this in sport are: in football, non-verbal way of communication would be using gestures, which can be useful in games and training sessions. This is because the players are all outside and not in proximity to the coach. In tennis, a useful way of verbal communication is by listening to a player's requests, such as wanting to learn how to serve, which can obviously be useful in a game.